This program is unique because we have the opportunity to pair up with local dealerships and independent shops to where the student gets to do an internship for 6 weeks. They're out there working in the field, gaining real-world experience. Then we come back here to the class and use what they've learned and also team that up what we teach here at the center. Our students that come in are very social, hands-on, hardworking, looking to apply themselves with their skills that they're going to learn here in the class.
I chose to attend this program because I have a passion for working on cars and I just want to work on my car whenever I have the chance. This program helped me gain the knowledge to work on cars and let me work on cars outside of school to possibly start my own business.
The best part about this program was the summer internship that I did that gave me the job that I have now. I would recommend this program to others because it's hands-on, it's fun, and you're learning a lot for free.
I think this program would be great for others if they're looking to further their knowledge in mechanics, or even if they want to try something new.